Good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. The sun is breaking through again. We had some showers this morning everywhere, I think, except the weather patio. We didn't get any rain here at the station in northwest Rochester, but we've had some showers around, much needed rainfall, and the good news is there is more. So if you didn't get any this morning, you have another chance coming up tonight and some more tomorrow. A couple of rounds of rain may impact our Saturday. But 68 degrees right now, on our way to the mid-80s, looking past the bell tower to CC Heights. That's our Gwaltney Group camera. Good Friday morning. We are going to see a fair amount of sun and a fair amount of warmth today moving forward. Here's our day planner. Showers through about 8 o'clock, then increasing sunshine. 85 by around 4 o'clock. We'll have temperatures tonight staying mainly in the 60s. With more rain chances coming in, especially after about 8 or 9 o'clock. Some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in that time frame. Today, breezy south winds are starting to develop. The dew point is on its way up, 62 right now. 68 the temperature. Air pressure is steady as you look southward down Bandle Road in northwest Rochester. So temperatures across the area approaching room temperature levels already. 68 in Rochester. Here it is now officially 9 o'clock. 71 meanwhile in Mesa City. Owatonna 72. Winona 70. Rainfall deficit, the big news in the last couple of days is we've been elevated to the moderate drought category from the U.S. Drought Monitor, from the USDA. So that tells us that we are starting to see significant drying in that soil level. So at this point, you need some rain. We are a couple inches below normal. In fact, for the season, going back to the beginning of June, we're about 2.5 inches below the seasonal normal, so we could use some rain, obviously. And we got a little bit this morning, and we'll have more chances tonight and tomorrow, and then we go about 5 days without it. So hopefully, it'll make good on some of these rain chances. But here's satellite radar. Here have those thunderstorms been moving. Still some lightning detected near Dexter, just west of Stewartville, but south of Rochester, and more activity from the west, but very sparse once you go farther westward. There's that storm system up toward northwest North Dakota. That's going to bring its cold front to the area. That'll be the focus of more rain chances again for the first half of the weekend. Humidity is going to be rather rich here for a few days. This is the first couple of days of the weekend. Then we see it tailing off toward the end of next week. There is another big cold front on Thursday that may bring us the next chance of rain after the weekend. And behind that front, we start seeing slightly more seasonable weather and drier air coming in after a muggy start to the week. But overall, next 4 or 5 days are going to be rather warm and humid, with temperatures running 5 to 10 degrees above the seasonal average. Instead of 78 or 79, it's going to be like 87, 88 in that range for much of the early part of the week. So definitely have some heat ahead of us. But here's future tracks. Some showers went this morning, then some sunshine. Be fair with the clouds. See the scattered storms this evening after about 7 or 8 o'clock. More organized activity. First light of day tomorrow. Another round of storms comes in, at least on this computer model outlook, but it depends on where you're looking, because we have a number of different outlooks we look at for model data, and some bring us a chance of storms in the morning of the break in the midday. This one bringing us activity starting in the morning and then redeveloping right in the midday hours and lasting into the evening. And then the skies clearing off just after sunset with a fair amount of sun ahead, with a fair with the clouds, and at least sun and clouds for Sunday, but a little less humidity, but definitely still a warm outlook for Sunday, and continue that 80-degree trend into then and for the rest of the week. But 85 today for our Friday in Rochester. 86 in Mason City, Albert Lee 84 with some sun, and morning showers tapering off by around 10 or 11 this morning, so another couple of hours going on here this morning before the next round of isolated storms develops. That'll be around 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. The south winds up to 15 miles per hour, 65 overnight, and then tomorrow looking at some scattered showers, a few thunderstorms, south winds up to 20 miles per hour. Outlook for the weekend, again, mid-80s tomorrow. Some sunshine for Sunday, especially in the afternoon, a little on the quieter side. And here's the overall 7-day forecast. Again, scattered storms tomorrow, and then next week, upper 80s for a few days. We slowly cool off the low 80s with a slight chance of a couple of thunderstorms Thursday, and then 70s for highs next Friday. So rain chances, we could use some. At this point, the forecast amount up to half an inch. Some of the heavier storms could bring a little bit more than that, but for the most part, quarter to half an inch is what we're expecting in the way of rainfall tonight through tomorrow, which would make a slight dent in that 2.5 inch deficit for the season. But we still could use another 2 or 3 days of rain, and we're not going to get that for a while. So the dryness continues, and I have no doubt we'll stay on the moderate range of drought in the U.S. monitor for another couple weeks. In the meantime, have a great Friday, a great weekend. We'll see you right back here on Monday.